Hello. So today I'm going to show you the beauty of being a Fedora user or slash nom desktop user. So as you can see, I spent like today just trying to customize my desktop, and I can say I love it. Okay, I simply love it. I mean, for example, the very first time I discovered Extension Manager, that is when I knew I can do a whole lot of things, and some of these things are just crazy. For example, you might be shocked, but nom desktop environments don't actually come with the utilities tab. So where you're able to see like a matrix about your PC, be it the temperature, the voltage, and the cool thing is you can go in depth. So for the memory, you can actually see the location, utilization, the memory you have, the storage, you can see all devices you have. You also have the system, you can clearly see the read write processes, and also how the threading performs for each and every one of your cores. So that was an interesting feature. I also today discovered OpenRGB. It's turning out to be my favorite tool. So this is mainly to customize my HyperX keyboard RGB lights for fixed colors or gradient colors, or I have my own custom set of profiles that would look right for the right environment. I also discovered something new. This light feature you see here allows me to see all the volumes mounted on my PC. That is also a cool feature I never knew existed. Something else was switching from the horizontal workspace display to now the vertical workspace display. As you can see, I can use the center wheel from the mouse to switch between them, or alternatively Windows key plus tab to also switch between, and once I'm done I just click Windows key and I'm in. So this is some of the cool features. Something else is doing this. So once I'm in settings, the accent colors for my desktop actually change in response to my background. For example, right now you can see I have a Neo Tokyo background. So you'll see the accent colors. For example, the outline that is purple. You should see the buttons, the highlights for the progress bars, the scroll bars, everything, all the accent colors in the PC just simply become the color, or adapt the color, the main color of the background. So I'll try to switch that to a more grayish background, and you'll see that it actually does the same thing. It will adapt to my wallpaper background. That is one of the coolest features. So once I try to click that, you can see we have the grayish accent colors, and it amounts to everything. Like every part of my PC will actually adapt to that particular background. The same applies to a greenish background. We should see in a few, from the check marks all the way to the buttons and the action items all switch. So that was also another cool feature. Something else was getting this bottom nav. So the extensions manager allows me to have this below. Initially, the only way was for me to click Windows key, and I got those here. But once I do this, or utilizing the extension manager, I have this, and also the glassmorphism look and feel. You can also set up the spotlight search, kind of like what Mac does. I like using Control K for search, and I think I had to uninstall that. I just didn't like it, but you can also go with that. Yeah, that aside, I also found a new feature, one of the coolest features so far. That is the tiling system. So apparently we can actually utilize tiling using Forge extension for nom/fedora environments. So let me say show focus, and then I'll maybe open a calculator, and maybe that. So as you can see, pretty much what happens is the tiling begins. So you have this there, and I can simply let me open another, it's a calendar, and you should see that the calendar wants to tile and will tile next to that, but I can also scroll it, position it there. So that is also another pretty cool feature that I have going. That simply works. You can toggle it off, outline off. I also have JS Connect, or this was initially an exclusive feature for KD Plasma environments or desktops, but for now you can see it's connected to my device, and there are a lot of cool things I can do. Apparently right now I cannot show you from my phone, but I can actually control my that is I can use my phone to actually take actions on my desktop, like controlling the cursor, the keyboard, running commands. So this paired device not reachable, so let me just confirm. Let's see, Techno Spark. So you can see we have a remote input ring. You also have messaging, so it connects to almost everything, like my messages. And as you can see, these are my messages. It opens the messaging app, connects my calls, so I can actually receive calls directly from my PC. So basically I was like, why would I I kept asking myself if I can have the entire ecosystem of what I'm doing here, so why would I stress myself? Because I have like everything. Like my whole mobile phone can be ported directly to my PC. So that includes everything from my contacts, so my contact list. I can actually, as you can see, this is a notification from Reddit from my phone. So it's also connected notification. So any notification I get on my mobile device, I'm also able to get that on my desktop. So I was like, yo, I'm just in love with the Fedora ecosystem and environment. I feel like with tools like KD Plasma and also the extension manager, the extensions that come with it, you can pretty much customize your PC to suit how you like to work, how you like to do things, and it's seamless. Like from transferring files between your mobile phone and your PC is as easy as drag and dropping. I mean, it makes it such that you have everything under one roof. So I just wanted to give a brief overview of why I like Fedora, and I don't think in the next few years I'm ever going to switch from being a Fedora user anytime soon. So that's